Are you a Sprint customer? T-Mobile bought out Sprint 2 years ago. For most Sprint customers, the merger wasn't a big deal. That changed this week when a T-Mobile replacement SIM card kit arrived in the mail. You have less than 6 weeks to swap SIM cards before your smartphone becomes a smart paperweight. If you want to support my channel, check out the new merch store on cdreimer.myspread.com. Last week I got a text message on my iPhone XR that the T-Mobile SIM card kit was in the mail. On the day I got the kit, I started getting daily texts to swap the SIM cards as soon as possible. Why the big hurry? T-Mobile will shut down the Sprint LTE network on Thursday, June 30th, 2022. Unless you swap out the SIM cards before then, voice and data for your smartphone will stop working. If your smartphone is still on the Sprint LTE network, keep an eye out for the kit or contact T-Mobile. Swapping out SIM cards only took a few minutes. On your smartphone, go to www.sprint.com/sim and follow the directions. Your smartphone must be turned on while swapping out SIM cards. When prompted, restart your smartphone to finish the process. What's the big difference after swapping SIM cards? On my iPhone XR, the carrier's name switched from Sprint to T-Mobile. That's it. If you have a newer smartphone with 5G, you may notice a performance change for voice and data. Or maybe not. Unless you want to get nagged to death by daily texts, swap your SIM cards when you can. If you're not comfortable swapping SIM cards, you can call a local T-Mobile store for an appointment. If your smartphone is off contract, don't let a salesperson talk you into buying a new smartphone. Unless, of course, they offer you a great deal. That's it for today's show. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.